Hello people, my name is Falco, this is English or Hot. If I don't understand, I make exercise. No, 1 second. My second invited of this show is Shanaz. Welcome Shanaz. Yes, oh, shut up. It's one clap for the invite.
Hi Falco, how are you?
Okay, you speak English very well.
I speak more...
Oh, 1 second, one more time. What is your second name?
Sontini.
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 Sontini, okay, get out. Hello people, this is English or Hot. My name is Falco and my invitee of today is Shanaz Sontini.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi Falco,
Shanaz.
how are you?
Okay. You speak English very well, yeah?
I should, yeah.
Yeah, you understand me?
Sometimes a little bit though.
Yeah.
Should I repeat that?
But sorry, I make exercise. I don't understand. You speak very faster. Sorry.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You're gonna be very tired by the end of the recording.
Okay, now speak very faster because I don't understand. I make exercise again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Shanaz.
Okay.
Yeah?
Got it.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Are you okay?
No. Okay. You how many time you learn a language, because you speak three language.
4.
4 language. Okay.
Arabic.
What?
Arabic.
Arabic.
French.
French.
English.
English.
And Spanish.
Spanish. Which language is or past fue more difficult for you?
To learn? Okay, so
More difficult for you?
I would say Spanish. You know, I'm still struggling with Spanish.
Why?
Because, I don't know, because I learned the Spanish like in school. So coming here and talking Spanish and then different accents from Venezuela, Colombia, that's very hard for me to get it. So.
Shanaz need a car. If you have a used car, Shanaz, this is the number. The zapato of shoe.
Thank you
What?
for that.
Shanaz, the English. How many times you learn English?
No, you mean for how long?
How long?
How
Yeah.
long it took me to learn?
How long?
Yeah, it took me to learn English. I would say a couple of years, 5 years, 4.
5 years?
Because I started when I was young.
5? I'm speaking English in 1 month, man. Girl, sorry.
Okay. You learn very fast, and I can see that.
Yeah, I need to speak English in 1 month. Only 1 month. This show is for this. But if I not speaking English, I'm strong. I make exercise. You make exercise?
Not at all.
Why not? You have a very beautiful figure.
See?
Figure.
I don't have time.
It's genetic?
You mean I'm healthy? Genetic? No.
You understand?
No.
Come on! Come with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, Falco.
What?
After 8 is 9.
9.
Yeah, night is how is it night in Spanish? I don't know.
Noche.
9.
La noche. Sí.
Oh, the night.
Sí.
I think in the night when I say 9.
Oh, okay. You're right then.
Okay. Janat, thanks for staying here.
Yes,
For this very beautiful show.
my pleasure.
How finger you make me? You have me? No? Me da? Give me. How finger you give me for my pronunciation?
Your pronunciation is not bad.
No, but it's British.
Oh, no. You're far from having the British accent.
It's British.
Oh, okay, no.
No?
No.
Get out of here.
If you
Get out. Get out. Thank you.
Bye,
Janat.
Falco.
Well, for the next show, I need aliento.
English. On home. English on home.